Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you the hoverboard. Here's the wheel. Here's the lights. So right now it's full charged. And here's the on and off button and the charger. So now let's ride it. So you put one leg here and then the second leg here and you're on. Now let's go. First, you need to so let's go. I'm gonna go faster with it. Always wear your helmet. Okay, let's go fast. Now I'm going like 2 or 3 miles. Okay, let's go back. Here I'm going full speed right now. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So then you just click here and you turn it off. So I just showed you the hoverboard / Segway. See you next time.